The Jacobson family 4th of July.
What were you saying?
Phone, please.
This is what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Jacobson family 4th of July fireworks show.
I thought you were taking a picture.
I think she was...
Watch the fireworks. Put the video on the fireworks.
Well, there's no fireworks show yet.
Who's starting it? Hi, video camera.
Asia, move. Asia, move.
Papa, next can you do that big one? Like right next to the bag.
My poor grass.
Papa. Next I got probably better ones.
No, he's gonna do this.
Okay, and then this. It's called Turn Night into Day. Oh yeah, I saw that at the store. She said it's supposed to... Ella! Good, it didn't blow up. That thing's called Turn Night into Day.
I know.
Smells very good over here, so...
That smells